Hey everyone, Kevin Baxter at Baxter's Garage and Pro Twin Performance. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm taking a second to let you folks know about some exciting things going on with the channel. First of all, a big thanks to everyone for liking and sharing the videos. I've got several years worth of tech videos on YouTube actually, but for whatever reason, we've seen a substantial growth over the past few months. And I appreciate all of you jumping in with me and following along. It's pretty cool. I also enjoy reading all your comments. I've been able to actually learn a few things from you guys as well, so thanks for that. Please continue to comment. I have received hundreds of requests from people asking for a couple of things. One, they're looking for ways to support the channel, and honestly, my efforts to continue to bring you good content. One way to support us, of course, is just to order parts from us. Many of you don't know we are a distributor for virtually every product made for this industry. And when you order parts from us, it helps us feed our families. And that's one way you can help. But, you know, we also commit to providing service after the sale. So if you need help and things like that, keep that in mind when you get ready to order parts. A lot of people have also expressed that they don't really need to buy parts, but they really enjoy the information and would like to show their appreciation for it. I've also had a lot of shop owners, techs, do-it-yourselfers ask if I could provide one-on-one tech help for particular problems they're having. Everything from tips and tricks to heavy diagnostics, problem solving on specific bikes. And you know, I put a lot of thought into how I could do this. So, you know, I started this channel years ago because I wanted to help people who are enthusiastic about this industry. I intend on continuing to do that, but I would like to dive even deeper into the nitty-gritty aspects of improving on our motorcycles. So it turns out YouTube's got a great way to make all of this work through channel memberships. So what are channel memberships? Basically, if you go to the home channel page, you'll see a link to join the channel. When you click on that, you'll see several options and levels by which you can support the channel on a monthly basis. And then there's several perks that come with those different levels for each one. Everything from shout outs during our videos to behind the scenes access to bloopers, members only tech videos, live chats, and even private one-on-one tech support or training from me, and discounts available on parts. So if you want to learn the most you can, have a specific issue you need help with, ongoing training and tech support, or you just want to say thanks and be a part of this community, that's continuing to help folks with good, reliable information, then you can head over to the channel page, click join, and see what suits you. Now don't forget, this Saturday, May 2nd at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we go live again, this time with John Dahmer from Dark Horse Crankworks. So be sure to bring all your questions about crankshafts and compensators, because on this one we get serious with hot rod performance stuff on Harley, cranks, and compensators. So I look forward to seeing you there, and as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Thanks for your support. Have a good one.